Make a Dutch oven tripod. Outdoor cooking is always one of the best things that we look forward to when we do camping. It almost always brings back memories of the rugged life of the early days. Thoughts of how it was in the Wild West also come to our mind. Instead of the traditional cooking in a camper, an alternative way of cooking is through the use of ancient Dutch oven cooking, an old-style cooking method that associates or attaches campers to the life in the Wild West. Dutch oven cooking can be done in 3 different ways: placing the Dutch oven on top of hot coals, placing it on top of a cooking grate, and hanging the Dutch oven from a tripod cooking stand over an open fire. Of the 3 ways of cooking, using tripod over an open fire is the most recommended. Open fire cooking gives and adds flavor to the food being cooked. It also gives the cook a better approach or access to the food being cooked. And best of all, the tripod Dutch oven can be easily assembled and easily transported to any campsites. To make your own Dutch oven tripod, prepare the materials needed and follow the steps below. The following are the things that you need to have: heavy-duty metal ring, used or new Dutch oven, durable wire, durable chain with S-hooks, and 3 pieces of 4-foot length of metal fence bar. Here are simple steps that you need to do to assemble your own Dutch oven tripod. Gather the 3 rods and stand them up together. Place the heavy-duty metal ring and position the ring approximately 2 inches downwards from the crown of the rods. While holding the ring, spread the legs of the rods apart until such time that they are fixed into the ring without moving. Ensure the rod's legs are fixed firmly in the ground. Attach the S-hooks. Connect one of the S-hooks of the chain into the joint or connection of the 3 rods in such a way that it is suspended downwards towards the center of the rods with the other S-hook attached at the end all the way to the ground. Fix the wire to the oven handle. Connect a length of durable wire to every handle of the Dutch oven. If your Dutch oven has handle, you don't have to connect wires to each and every handle of the Dutch oven. Finishing touches. Attach the Dutch oven handle to the S-hook on the extent of the chain for the finishing step in assembling the oven tripod. And you're done. Simple yet very much useful, especially on long trips and more than one night outdoor activities. On the other hand, starting a campfire would be the ultimate step in achieving your desired outdoor cooking. This campfire would be where you will place your Dutch oven tripod and where you will hang your Dutch oven to cook your meals. You can use more than one Dutch oven for different types of dishes that you desire to cook.